Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. I'm not sure why I have this hazy smoke around me. It's pretty warm here today, but I don't know, it looks like I'm in heaven and I'm an angel or something. None of that matters. This is called ProfitTurbo. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. I think I got everything you need in the at the blog post. So the blog post is linked in the video at the description. You can get a $5 off discount coupon. You can see the demo video. You can see all the one-time offer upgrades, and you can find all about how to create an ebook shop and have it create content, ebooks and things like that, all in one. And it's called ProfitTurbo. Fresh out today. It's one of the top selling products out. Let's just get rid of this right here. Okay, let's get rid of your coupon. I'm not sure which one that is, but the one that I have listed on the blog post gives you $5 off. There you go. AI technology, keyword into books. You're making your own store. You're handling publish, traffic, payment, delivery, support. And look at that. To give you an exact amount you're going to make per day. That's completely nonsense. So I move on from that. I don't want you to be thinking big numbers. I want you to be thinking, I don't know, it'd be great if I made a book that made $5 and maybe I could make 10 of those books and it'd be really cool. That kind of thing. Not we're making thousands and craziness, but this does create, look at this, from one keyword, you get 150 plus page long ebooks. So it creates this stuff, the ebooks. Create 100% original content with the push of a button, generate the articles, PDF, info products, ebooks, everything together, and you can publish these ebooks to a traffic-fueled premium store, your store, that rivals, kind of is a knockoff of Amazon Kindle. And they take care of all the traffic and the payment and the delivery and the support, and you're going to have your own ready-made products to sell or give away. And as they say, it's the only ChatGPT writer to actually output 100 plus pages of content. So you're creating real books and not just a 1 or 2 page article kind of thing. Turns your content into stunning products. There's 10,000 done for you ebooks built in, already written. And away you go. You're going to throw up a store and be able to put this out there. Look at this. Here you go. Insert your keyword. Watch as it creates the content. Publish it to the premium store. Make money. Now, those are not money from your own store, so they're showing you something that is completely not there. But your own store, your own probably PayPal kind of money is coming in on a regular basis. So this is a complete ebook store and creating of the ebooks. And let's go down. We got discount coupon. So I'm just going to go down here and get to, let's just do that. See what we get. Yeah, so $12.93. I have a coupon, brings it down to like $7.93. That's crazy. So check this out. The link is in the video description. Where am I here? Right here. Yep, that's good. Links in the video description. You click that link, it'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Watch the demo video to see them make these things. Grab the discount coupon code, look at the upgrade offers. It's all listed for you there. And then click the product box and you can grab this for, what did I say? $12.93 minus $5, $7.93. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.